Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Steam market restrictions. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Security. This is where you'll manage all the security features needed to lift those market restrictions. Now, here's something important to understand. You must have Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator enabled for at least 15 days before Steam will remove market restrictions from your account. This is a security measure Steam uses to protect both buyers and sellers on the marketplace. To enable it, click Manage Steam Guard. This will open up the Steam Guard settings where you can activate the mobile authenticator. Go ahead and enable it if you haven't already done so. But enabling Steam Guard isn't the only requirement. Your account must also have at least $5 USD spent on Steam, or the equivalent in your local currency. This qualifying purchase proves to Steam that you're a legitimate user and not a bot or throwaway account. To add funds, click on your username in the upper right corner, then select View My Wallet from the drop-down menu. On the wallet page, select the $5 USD option or the equivalent amount in your currency, then click Add Funds. Next, you'll need to select your payment method by clicking the drop-down menu, then click Continue. On the following page, enter your payment details carefully and click Continue again to complete the transaction. Once this purchase goes through, you've met the spending requirement. Now, if you've enabled Steam Guard for at least 15 days and made a qualifying purchase, but you're still experiencing market restrictions, you may need to contact Steam support directly. To do this, click Help in the upper left corner, then select Steam Support from the menu. On the support page, click Steam Community even though you specifically want to remove market restrictions. This option covers various community-related issues. Next, click I need help with something not listed here, then click Contact Steam Support. You'll now see a text field where you can provide details about the issue you're having. Be as specific as possible about your situation and explain that you've met all the requirements but still cannot access the market. Optionally, you can attach files if you have screenshots or other relevant documentation that might help your case. When you're ready, click Send to submit your support ticket. After you send a Steam support ticket, you'll need to wait for their reply. Steam support will respond both on your Steam support tickets page and via email, so keep an eye on both. Response times can vary, but they'll review your account and help resolve the restriction issue. And that's it. You've now taken all the necessary steps to remove Steam market restrictions from your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.